Hi, just add this in. I think HJ socks. Yes. Hopefully this time I'm gonna actually show you more what's going on. Right. First one out of the box. A Robin design new lady sock. These are really nice for Christmas. Lovely Robin design. Not soft top, just the classic well-made cotton sock. Lady sock. I think that's kind of fun. These are really cool. Loungewear sort of bed socks. Really super soft. I've already got these in another colour, like that, and super soft. Get 2 in a pack. Soft top, extra wide. So we've already got soft top, which don't dig into your legs if you've got swollen feet. But these are even wider than those. So if you're finding your calves are really swollen at the minute, those are great. Soft top assorted pack. That'd be great presents. This is 3 pairs of soft top, but they're a bit more, you know, they've got a bit more colour to them, because soft top usually look like that when you've got black. We've got the wool one if you want slightly warmer for winter, but these ones come in 3 good colours with the contrast in, and they come in a pack, and they're slightly cheaper than buying 3 pairs, because I think 3 pairs is £6 each. So yeah, you save a few quid. I think that's really nice. Make a good present as well. A bit more fun. Diabetic ones. These are really great. Like really super soft. And that's a new colour. I mean, that's such a soft sock. And so these are the standard soft top ones we've always done, and HJ were famous for, and they're brilliant. They fit like 80% of people, I reckon. If you want wider, if your legs are extra swollen, these are the extra wide soft tops. But the one I've done really well on, which is accredited by podiatrists and chiropodists, is this diabetic one, which I'm going to read this, which has the soft top, flat seam link toe, which means no seams, so they don't rub on your seams. The sanitized cotton. They don't come very high up your leg, although we do have that one which comes higher up your leg, and we have that one in cotton and wool as well if you want a slightly thicker walking sock. Non-restrictive, which just means they don't dig in, and they're ideal for diabetics, and they are, it's hard to show you, but they're really soft. This is a new colour, and we've got them in black as well, and that's the 4 to 7, but we've also got 6 to 11, and they still do the best ones, I think. For more of them, I think that's the men's. That's a great light walking sock. This is the ladies version, because we've always had the men's work sock, and it's basically the same one. We've also got the gardening sock, which is kind of cool. They come individually. These come in a pack. I wish they didn't put work on them, because they're more of a country sock. They make an ideal hiking sock. Can't really see them, but they come in great colours. And we've got the men's there as well, which is in the green, brown and navy, as well as the grey, black and more black, which are more of a work sock, but they're the same sock. That one's longer, that's the short one. It's a work sock, but it's, you know, that's soft top as well. More soft top. Long sock. Really hard to get a long sock and really hard to get a brown sock, so that's both of them. More of them. More of them. That's interesting, I did not think I got 2 lots of them. The long diabetic sock. Really cool. Diabetic sock. Got the green, black and blue work sock. Great as an alternative to the thicker walking sock which we sell over there. Like, that's your best walking sock. But they can be quite heavy. But if you want something soft around the leg and lighter, that's brilliant. And you get 3 in a pack. Yeah, just a short video to show you what socks have come in. If you like it, please like. See you again. Bye.